Today we'll be exploring how to become a mobile app developer using AI as a tool. AI can help you level up your mobile app development game, work faster, and code less. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you get updates on how to grow as a developer in the mobile app development industry and more. So why am I qualified to talk about this? Well, I've worked with hundreds of developers and we've built businesses with them, many of whom were mobile app developers, and I still work with about 15 mobile app developers as of today. So there are a lot of AI tools and libraries for AI developers to save time. First, let's talk about how to optimize your design, build, and test phases. That's where AI tools make a world of difference by streamlining your workload and offering innovative solutions. Here are several AI tools you can use to significantly improve your mobile app development process and save time overall. So the first one is TensorFlow Lite. It's basically an open source cross-platform machine learning library from Google, designed specifically for mobile and embedded devices. It allows you to integrate functionalities like object detection, image and speech recognition, and natural language processing right into your mobile apps without needing extensive AI expertise. With its lightweight design and flexible API, TensorFlow Lite helps you optimize your app's performance and keeps it running smoothly, even on low latency devices. The next tool I want to share is called ML Kit. Basically, it lets you tap into a collection of pre-built machine learning models with easy to use APIs. The solutions it offers range from text recognition to face detection and barcode scanning, so you can develop feature-rich apps with minimal coding. MLKit is particularly beneficial for Android developers, but if you're working with iOS or tackling a React Native project, you can use it as well. Another one is CoreML. CoreML is an Apple-exclusive framework designed to help iOS developers incorporate machine learning models into their apps swiftly and efficiently. With CoreML, you can take advantage of models from leading machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow, Scikit-learn, and XGBoost. The seamless integration helps you enhance your apps with features like object tracking, gesture recognition, and sentiment analysis at breakneck speeds. Another tool that you might not expect in this list is IBM Watson. Watson is IBM's powerful AI platform that offers a suite of machine learning tools and models to create and manage intelligent applications. From real-time speech recognition to personalized recommendations, Watson supports advanced features that can make your app stand out amongst the competition. With Watson's language translation API, for example, you can provide users with instant translations between multiple languages, opening up your app to a wider audience. Another tool is Azure Cognitive Services, a product of Microsoft. Azure Cognitive Services is a collection of AI services that enables you to build intelligent apps without being an expert in data science. It supports features such as computer vision, facial recognition, and text analysis, allowing you to supercharge your apps with the power of AI. Basically, you're using tools like Custom Vision API, and you can train your app to recognize specific objects or types of images unique to your domain, resulting in a more specialized app experience. The key to being a successful in-demand mobile app developer is to produce high-quality apps with tight deadlines. Now, how can you make that happen? That's where integrating AI into your workflow really pays off. Here, we'll explore how AI can boost your productivity, enhance your apps, and ensure you produce outstanding results consistently. Basically, we're talking about ChatGPT and GPT-4. Let's start with the obvious example. You can use GPT-4 to write about 50% of your code right now. Basically, you can program it with natural language and it spits out code. It can also help you turn natural language into algorithms when needed. It basically knows math. Another tool that most people probably already know, but few people actually still use, is GitHub's Copilot. If you're not using it, you should get on that because it basically is a developer on your team who helps you in real time. And it's much faster than a junior developer because it just spits out code, helps you fill out the blanks, and it can even help you with the architecture. Another thing you can do is basically employ AI-based analytics tools. You can understand your users' behavior and make data-driven decisions to improve your app's design and functionality. For instance, you might use AI-generated heat maps to identify areas where your users struggle or engage most but don't get anywhere, and basically help them by optimizing buttons, menus, and other interface elements for a smoother experience. This is for bigger apps, obviously, because it's quite complicated and costs a lot of money, as of right now at least. Another tool or another solution is automated testing. One of the most time-consuming aspects of app development is testing. Many developers spend countless hours on manual testing, trying to identify and fix bugs. However, AI-powered testing tools can save you significant time and effort by automating this process. From running UI tests to analyzing the results. Tools like Appium, Test.ai, and Functionalize help identify issues faster and more accurately, freeing you up to focus on other essential tasks. Something else to focus on is personalized user experience. In today's competitive app market, personalization is essential to attract and retain users. AI can help tailor your app's content and features to users' preferences, demographics, and behaviors. For instance, you could use AI-driven algorithms to create custom playlists, send targeted push notifications, or display product recommendations relevant to individual users. Tools like Firebase, Predictions, and Optimizely help you analyze user data and create targeted campaigns to ensure a personalized user experience. AI-powered code generators like Kite, Tab9, and the one that I mentioned before in this video, and also Codota, learn from your programming style and offer code suggestions or complete lines of code for you. By predicting your next move, these AI tools can help you minimize keystrokes, reduce errors, and ultimately build better apps much faster. Another thing you can do is called predictive analytics. By leveraging AI-powered predictive analytics tools, you can anticipate user needs, preferences, and potential issues in real time, ultimately making your app more responsive and dynamic. Tools like Mixpanel and Amplitude can offer insights about user journeys and conversion. This is for people who are also into marketing. Now let's talk about how to get started freelancing and building a business using your mobile app development and AI skills. Basically, what you want to do is watch the playlist in the description. It'll go from the start. So basically you start as a developer and then go all the way to building an agency. So go watch that video. There's dozens of videos in there, but go watch the first video that introduces you to the concept and how to proceed from here. Good luck. See you in the next video. And if you have any questions, please comment below.